Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a very exciting one. I collaborated with a company called Propoptions, and they sent me out a really cool cake plate that gives the illusion that your cake is floating in the air. So I'm actually going to show you how to make this beautiful 4-tier wedding cake, giving the illusion that the top 2 tiers are floating. So if you guys want to see how I made this with our product, we'll keep on watching. So for this particular cake, I use a 7, a 6, a 5, and a 4-inch cake, but you can actually go bigger or smaller. It's up to you really. And then I use this. This is the winner. It's so sturdy, like it doesn't go anywhere. So basically what I did, as you can see in the video, I did my 2 tiers at the bottom. I placed a little bit of buttercream and I placed this on top. Just, you don't have to do it, but I wanted to do it so like that it really sticks to your cake. And then I placed my other 2 tiers here at the top. And it was so sturdy, it wasn't going anywhere. And then to hide the side, I just use a little bit of flowers to hide the side. You can do so many designs with this, and what I like is that you can use it like this, you can turn it around and use it on the other side. It's really versatile. So I will link this amazing product that I found on Etsy. The company is on Etsy, but I will link all her information in my description box down below, because guys, I am telling you, if you go to her website, she has amazing things. Like, I was so impressed. I actually ended up, like, I was on TikTok and I found another baker that was actually using one of her products. I'm like, this is so cool. So from there, I did a quick research on Google and I found her on Etsy, and then I just saw all the other things she has. You guys should go ahead and see. It's really cool. Like, she has amazing things that you can do for special occasions, but especially for your weddings, because wedding cakes are so expensive. But when you have something like this, it just gives it such a wow interest. It almost looks like something out of this world that you're like, oh, what is this, how is this done? But it looks complicated to do, but like, this makes it all the difference. So I can't say it enough how amazing and how impressed I was about her stuff. And yeah, I'm really happy. And by the way, the owner is so sweet. So yeah, I will link everything down below. So for this particular design, I used a mix of fresh and synthetic flowers, and I also did 2 tiers, the 6-inch and the 4-inch tier, with covered with edible lace. And the entire recipe step by step, the link is in my description box down below, and also all the material that I'm using, including all the silicones and all, or in my description down below, also with all the links, so you can go ahead and look at that. And that was it. So this amazing design that looks like, you know, it's almost unreal, made with this little man. So I really highly suggest you going to see her shop. It's called Prop Options. And again, we'll link everything down below. And I would like to say a big thank you to Prop Options to have collaborated with me. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.